Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the right file for the metal shape: flat for faces, round for curves, half round for mixed contours. Clamp the workpiece securely in a vise so it cannot rotate. Once clamped, position yourself so you push the file forward with controlled strokes. Lift on the return. Use moderate pressure and maintain a consistent angle to the metal. This ensures even stock removal and avoids digging in. Make sure to check progress often and clear filings with a brush. Once you have initial contact, switch to long, even strokes to level surfaces and short, precise strokes to define edges or contours. Change file orientations gradually and keep stroke direction consistent to control finish. This prevents scalloping. Make sure to occasionally dress the file with a wire card to expose clean teeth and restore cutting efficiency. Check dimensions frequently with calipers or a straight edge, and use layout marks to guide. You finish by removing burrs and refining the surface. Use a finer file or abrasive cloth and then polish to the desired finish. Once done, test the part for fit and function, making micro adjustments with light strokes. If the file clogs, stop and clean it with a wire card. Clogged teeth reduce efficiency and can scratch the metal. If you feel chatter or uneven removal, decrease pressure, reclamp the workpiece, and recheck your filing angle to regain control and a smooth result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.